In today's video, I will teach you how to blend two different landscapes together using AI. Let's get started. Blending landscapes can create stunning visuals that combine mountains, oceans, forests, or even deserts into one seamless scene. With AI tools like ChatGPT's image generator, you can achieve realistic results without needing advanced Photoshop skills. So go to ChatGPT on your browser, then log in to your free account. Then click the plus icon in the prompt box. And here, select Create Image. And you will now be in image mode, ready to edit your landscapes. To upload your landscape photos, click the plus icon again, then choose Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl-U on your keyboard. Now select the landscape photos that you want to blend from your computer. And make sure to choose high-quality images with clear horizons or recognizable features. This helps AI blend them naturally. Now we're going to write your prompt, and make sure to be very specific in describing how you want the landscapes to combine. Here are some good prompt examples. Here, you can include details such as which landscape is dominant, time of day or lighting conditions, mood like sunset, foggy, bright, mystical, and perspective like aerial, eye level, or panoramic. You can also mention styles like realistic, cinematic, or hyper-detailed for better results. Now press enter to let the AI create your blended landscape. It may take a few seconds to a minute, depending on the complexity. Once the image has been generated, you can refine the image. To do this, click on the generated image to make adjustments. Then describe the changes in the text box. Small tweaks and regenerations improve realism. Now hover over the final image, then click download to save it. And you can also share the image on social media or with friends. And take note that free ChatGPT plan only allows up to 5 image generations per day, so upgrade to generate more images if needed. And here are some pro tips for best results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.